Hey guys, I am back with some tips to help you with your intermittent fasting to speed it up, just to speed up your results really quickly or quicker. 3 tips. If you're interested, stay tuned. Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jemecia Capri, the nurse practitioner extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Join my channel. Click that like button if you like it. Join my channel. Be a subscriber, all that good stuff. You know, YouTube looks for the algorithm for you to like my videos and all that good stuff. So I hope you like them. But anyway, today I'm going to talk about some more tips. I have been giving you guys tips on intermittent fasting, and I wanted to dive right in to give you a little bit more to accelerate the benefits of intermittent fasting, or to accelerate the results of intermittent fasting. And there are 3. And I am going to jump right in, but I want to tell you why and how they kind of work for you. So number 1 is high intensity exercise. Number 2 is sleep. Sleep. And number 3 is fat, or your food choices, or what you're eating, in order to accelerate how intermittent fasting benefits you. So let's talk about exercise. Okay, so when you're exercising and you are doing high intensity exercise, you are burning fat, you are working out, and you are keeping insulin, which is what we try to do. We try to manipulate hormones. So you're keeping insulin at bay. You're kind of keeping it low, and you're burning your fat stores. Okay? And so that is how high interval exercise helps you. Low intensity exercise helps because it helps you to decrease your stress level. And when your stress is high, cortisol is high, which is another hormone that we really don't want to be high, because when it's high, insulin is high. So we're trying to really, in all of these things, control insulin, because when insulin is available and when it's there on board, we're really not burning the fat that we already have on us that we want to actually use for energy and to burn. I hope that makes sense. Okay, and then as far as sleep, again, sleep helps you to adjust your cortisol levels. So when you're sleeping, your cortisol levels again are low, you're resting, your body is able to tap into the fat stores that you have in order to burn more. So make sure you're at a low stress level, keeping your stress level low, so that you can burn as much as you can through intermittent fasting. Burn as much as you can. Burn as much as possible during intermittent fasting. Okay, so that's that. And the last thing, as far as eating, when you eat, when it's time to eat, during your eating window, be sure that you're eating some things that will help you stay full longer, that will help you add to your calories, that will help you with, you know, not feeling hungry so fast. And that's fat. Choosing the proper amount of fat, the good fat, in order to keep you from being hungry, feeling like you want to bite somebody's head off and eat something right away. So that's that. And so the good fats, you want to eat the good fats, the avocado, the olive oils, the things like that, that you know that you can have and eat that are good for you. Yeah. So that's pretty much it that I wanted to add to my tips, the 3 tips, quick tips that will help you accelerate your intermittent fasting. And if I was to add another tip, and you guys know I love apple cider vinegar, I would add apple cider vinegar too. It's an extra tip. It's a bonus on top of what I was just saying. And I was trying to think of There was one more that I wanted to share with you guys. I had it here in my phone. Hold on. Oh shoot, I should have been ready. So anyway, I'm gonna say back to the food, because that's mainly what we want to pay attention to. So the good fats, like I said, the avocado, the olive oil, the salmon, nuts, things like that, that will give you that satiated feeling. Anyway, that's it, guys. Those are my 3 tips with a couple bonuses in there. If you enjoyed this video, like this video. I hope you're doing really well on your intermittent fasting journey. And if you're in my program and this is helpful for you, let me know the next time that we talk, the next time we're in discussion, if any of these videos are helpful. I'm hoping that they are, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.